Careful, you might catch your hand.
You don't know how to use scissors on?
Oh, that's nice. What is this? Oh, these are just the parts.
That looks pretty difficult.
If you open one,
Oh, what is it? You have to assemble it.
No, open the other one.
What is it? It's a big one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is the oven. And
Oh.
jeez, it's huge. It's rough with the...
You don't have to cross it.
All the parts you have to assemble. Here it is, the temperature control. Now where are you going to put this?
Right there.
Well, I don't, is this to cook like steak or something?
It's a plate. Alright. That's it. What is it?
You have to assemble it again.
I know. That one. And then I think this one is inside. You put it like that. It's like the rotisserie that I have. It's just rotisserie is one chicken. It's rounded and tall. This one is just flat. But it's a rotisserie, I guess. Interesting. And you put this on top. And then you plug it on the electrical. Oh. That's how it looks.
You know the box, how can you see?
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now you put that inside the reverse. Should be the other way around.
Which one?
Under.
Oh. There.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Oh, how about the flavor? What's gonna happen?
Read the book. Just put a little salt.
Alright.
Alright, here's from...
Just rip it open now.
Now this is from Buboy in Sierra. Only?
And Chris,
And Chris?
I think.
And Kobe.
And Eddie?
Kobe.
No,
Kobe?
they got some coming in, I think.
Kobe?
Um,
Kobe? So this is from Sarah and Buboy?
Buboy's back.
Kasali na si Kobe.
Very
Back
well,
face
no.
na.
Careful. You cut yourself.
He put the steak. See? I should have only put one steak.
Yeah. No, doesn't know to cut.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't pick. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Alright.
you don't have to cut it like that, Mom.
Before?
Yes. Oh.
What?
Before.
What is it?
Told you.
Yes. Yes.
This is from Buboy's, this came in the mail, Buboy. And there's a lot of...
Put it there in the box, the empty box. Where's the empty box?
Mm-hmm.
Is that empty?
Yeah. You can use these boxes to, for packages and things to add in.
Careful now. Careful.
For a break.
Uh-oh.
Let's get a
Huh?
hold.
Oh,
Oh, something fell.
no.
Let me see what that...
We have to
It's
put
wrapped.
the rings.
Like Kobe.
It's a CD.